Hi guys, I want to show you in C# how you can ask a user information like a name, username, or whatever you want. We'll start writing here console write line because we want to display the petition, right? So we will say to this customer user, write your username and press enter, please. All right. So this will be in a string, and we will just say, then we will start saying string username. Just we will start to declare here what is it about. String, I use this question here because it's like I want to avoid a null issued in the future. So username will be the thing that I want to ask, and then you see it predicts null because there is a risk that the user can just press the button, like press the enter, but not add in anything. So it will be a null problem. That's why I eliminate that null problem with this. Okay, I can just not use this, all right, and just like this. I just use it to avoid this in the future, but I will fix that in other way. Console reads line. Now, why is it? Because I want first to write a message, and the message is this in yellow. Okay, the console will print out this. Write your name, username, and enter and press enter, please. Now the second thing will say to the console, get me that information. Okay, that's why I said read, not write. Write is write, and write is print, and read is take from the user. That's important to know the difference. Now I want to use an if, because you see here it predicts again if there is null, if the user doesn't write anything. So that's going to say if, and I'm going to say the string is the variable, right? Now it predicts better. If, all right, if the string of this is null or empty, that is the same thing, right? I mean, it's the user not writing anything, not writing the username that is here. Okay, I use it if then. If we need to get to the message, if you don't write anything, I will say to you, you have not. So enter your username. Okay. All right. So, but if the user, other way else, if the user did write a username, so I'm going to say console write line, your username is, okay. Now a little bit of space, so it's not all together after this. And now after this, I will concatenate the plus and username, that is the string, this string, that is the same here, okay? It's the same string, okay? A variable. So here, I just close this and the bracket. And so we're going to prove this. We go here, run it, and you will see what is happening. Yes. So write your username and press enter. Now I'm not going to do anything. I'm going just to press enter. Okay, here's the message. You have not entered your username. So that's cool. That means it worked pretty good. Okay, that was what we wanted. If the user doesn't write anything, we display this message. But we do it again. I could do this again. I could just press nothing. It will come out the same message, or I would just say my username is Peter123. Okay, and press enter. So here says your username is Peter123. All right. So it's kind of cool, right? I mean, now you can see how it works, and it's pretty fun because you know how to do it. You display a message here, then you use a string when a name, ask for the name for the user's information, and then you even do an if else, just to to have one exception. We just do one exception here, that is the writing or not writing anything. Okay, we could just instead of all this, we could write this as the customer information. We get the information, we read it, and we say console read line your username is and this, and it will be the same. But if we don't use this if else, if the user doesn't press anything, it would just not work. It would just crash the console. So that's why we use the if else, so the console doesn't crash. It's very important that we do that as much as we can, that the console doesn't crash, because the user needs to know what is going on, what is wrong. Okay, that's the purpose of not crashing the console. So yeah, very simple, very easy, but very useful in C#.